Now take the stress out of your workspace. Planning with 2026 leave plan and Manpower tool. Number one is the plan. What you see in here. This one will help you with ensuring you don't have any overbookings or underbookings, utilization of financial due outs, keep it balanced. Okay. Then the next thing is how you see it. It should be crystal clear. You're able to see who is on leave, when, and who is overlapping with it. This one will help you manage any overlaps or any pending approvals, and they will be manageable. You can see them clearly, who is on leave, by when, and who is taking charge. That's the Gantt chart. Finally, it's how you're resourcing your manpower. If anyone is maybe on leave, you've seen you have many gaps, so you want to resource for more manpower. So this one is designed for the fast-paced world, mostly FMCGs, but applicable to anyone. So we compare store workload against current staff. Then we show how many people you need to put on the ground, and they will help you with the best. So call me for a template.